So we're in this moment. The market's on edge, not because of a war or oil crisis or a wild political scandal, but because of one job, one person, the Federal Reserve Chair. In 2026, President Donald Trump is about to redraw the lines of America's money game, which is the replacement for Jerome Powell. It could decide the future of your rent, your job, even your morning coffee's prices. Trump's been bashing Powell, calling him terrible. Markets are obviously jittery. The betting pools are open, and we're going to talk about the frontrunners that might be able to take his job. They each come with baggage, backers, and bold agendas. Let me show you the 5 names that actually matter. First up, Kevin Warsh. He's an ex-Fed governor, Wall Street's prodigal son. Odds are around 20%. He's hawkish on inflation, favoring high interest rates when things actually heat up. And he might be a little too independent for Trump's taste. The second potential lead, Kevin Hassett. Kevin Hassett is the head of Trump's economic think tank. He's a policy wonk, pro-growth, tax cuts, but here's the twist. He once defended Powell. Odds for him being the next Fed chair, 16%. And then there's Scott Bessent. He's a hedge fund brain, treasury bigwig, white power broker. Odds are at 18%. He leads the recruitment, but says he's not after it. So do we believe him? Well, that's another story. The fourth potential, Christopher Waller. Christopher Waller is a current Fed insider. He's a Trump's own pick. Market friendly, supports lower rates, less drown in the headlines, but a big deal in the market. His odds are at 12%. Then there's Michelle Bowman. Banking roots in Kansas, current Fed governor, soon to be vice chair, longtime Trump pick. She's a continuity candidate, and she's the only woman we have in this mix. Let us know if we're missing anyone or you have someone else in mind. But why does this all matter? This isn't just about who gets to set interest rates. This is about the price of money itself and who the world's largest economy trusts to steer through a political storm. Trump could pick an insider and outsider or tear up the whole playbook. Warsh, Hassett, Bessent, Waller, Bowman, each one signals a different future for the dollar in your pocket. Markets are watching every move, every hint, every leak, because the next Fed chair isn't just the headline. It's the person who will decide what your life costs years from now.